Hello Sagittarius, how are you? Welcome to my channel Star, and welcome to your reading. So Sagittarius, this is your reading for the month of July 2021, and this is a general reading. Take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Uh, Sagittarius, this is a short reading. There are no extended readings, and I would appreciate if you would hit like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below if you find yourself getting resonated with this reading. I would also request you to hit that notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the videos. Sagittarius, what I'm going to do in this reading is I'm going to place a couple of cards over here and they will represent your energy. Then I'm going to place a couple of cards over here. They will represent the energy of the person you are thinking about, you are dealing with. In between, I'm going to place a couple of cards and they will represent the mutual energy between you and your person. Okay? So, if the time permits, we'll pull out some oracle cards as well. So, let's get started, Sagittarius. Let's get started. So we have is 3 of Wands, 6 of Wands, and 10 of Swords. For your person, we have is 2 of Pentacles, then we have is the Chariot, and we have is 7 of Pentacles. Mutual energy is that of the Star, and we have is the King of Wands. So you may be dealing with a Cancer. You may be dealing with an Aquarius, Sagittarius. Okay, you may be dealing with another fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. You may be dealing with Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. I'm also hearing Capricorn. Okay, if the sign pops up, all the better. Let's not remain fixed on the signs. Okay, so Sagittarius, 2 of Wands, then we have is 6 of Wands and 10 of Swords. Okay. Sagittarius, I guess you want to reach conclusion very soon when it comes to this relationship. Okay, it looks like your state of mind is, this is what I want from this relationship. Okay, if you can give me what I want, if we can work out, if we can work things out between you and me, okay, if we can work on this connection, fine, I'll stay, otherwise I'm moving on. Okay, and you guys, maybe, of course, you are in separation and that's why you're watching this video. For some of you, it may be a no contact situation. For some of you, it can be a very minimal contact. Okay, and I don't think so. Whatever is going on in your mind, like, I told you right now, right? Like, uh, you want this to situate, you want this connection to work out, but you want this connection to work out in so and so manner. Uh, you haven't communicated this to, you haven't communicated this thought process to your person so far. But now there is a bit of desperation to reach a conclusion, so that if your person reciprocates to whatever you're thinking, you will wait. If not, you will just move on. Okay, so even if there is no contact situation or very minimal contact, you have sent them a long message, or you intend to send them a long message. You will do this in 3D world, or you may also uh, interact this in the 5D world. Okay, your souls may interact. And what I'm sensing is there is this intention to communicate to this person that on these terms and conditions only I'm fine to move ahead. If this is what you can fulfill, let's come together, otherwise let me move on. Okay, so there is a bit of there is an element of desperation, also desperation to reach the conclusion. Okay, I don't see a desperation to go back, but you are acting very rational minded and you want to reach a conclusion that I don't want to keep it hanging for long. Okay, I just want to conclude whether this side or that side. Okay, if it is positive, I'll wait. If it's no, I'll just move on. Okay, you may want to, there will be an energy in the month of July where you may think of initiating a communication with your person. Okay, and this initiation will happen because you want to arrive at a conclusion. You may send them a long message with whatever is going on in your mind. If they want to come back, they can let you know accordingly. If they don't want to come back, you'll understand that because of their no response. And I guess in the month of July, some of you, at least some of you, are going to move on because you will be very much annoyed that this person is not taking any kind of action towards this connection. Some of you will send them a message and you will receive no response, and which will anger you, and you will decide to move on. But then after moving on, there will be an immediate realization that did I hurry up in this, like, was I in a hurry, or did I just expedite this relationship to its conclusion? There will be a bit of a guilt in your mind, but later on you will just realize that you don't have to feel guilty at all. Whatever happened, it happened for the highest good. Okay, in fact, it was good that you decided to write this person, so at least you will have clarity regarding your own decision making process, right? Otherwise, this person would have kept you hanging for the entire life, okay, without any communication, but still interacting with you energetically. So you had to take a call, you had to take things in your hand, and you don't have to feel guilty at all about it. Okay, so with the Two of Pentacles, the Chariot, and Seven of Pentacles, wow. Now this person is waking up to what they are about to lose. Okay, this person, after you send them a message, and I see that most of them are not going to respond because they don't know what and how to answer you. They are not in a state of mind to confront you. They are not in a state of mind to what shall I say, they are not in a state of mind to receive your aggressive response. Probably you will vent out your anger on them and they will not understand how to handle that. So yes, that is one of the reasons why they will not respond to you. But after they will sense that you have moved away, or you have walked away, or you are in that energy, whether this scenario happens or not, whether you get back to them or not, what I'm sensing is that by the mid of July, you will plan to move on and move away from this person. Okay, and that is gonna alert them energetically. Okay, then this person will start thinking like, maybe now I should start doing something in for this connection. Okay, that will trigger them to take some action towards you. Okay, they are having a lot of guilt, Sagittarius. I will not deny this person is having a lot of guilt in their mind, like what they have done to you, and that is also one of the reasons they don't have enough of guts and confidence to come towards you. Okay, they keep on thinking about you, Sagittarius. They do. For some of you, I'm also sensing a new person is coming towards you. There is a new person on the horizon, Sagittarius. Okay, and this is going to happen especially for those who want to move on. We have Star and we have King of Wands, Sagittarius. So you are thinking of your own well-being. Okay, you are thinking of your own well-being and which is the right decision to which is the right thing to do. And as far as your person is concerned, Sagittarius, they are thinking passionately about you, but maybe they are waiting for the right time or not enough of confidence. That's what I'm getting. I'm getting this message constantly that they admire you, they adore you, but they admire and adore you from the far. Okay, they like you, they love you, but they like you and love you from the far. Like everything they want, but they want to do it from the far because passion is there but confidence is lacking. Okay, there is not enough of confidence and there is a lot of guilt around their own behavior, Sagittarius. Okay, all right, I hope this resonates. Please hit like, share and subscribe and comment down below. Till then, bye bye.